When solving a proportion or checking an inequality sign when comparing fractions, one might say to cross-multiply. But why does cross-multiplying work? So let's prove the general case. We want to show that if a over b equals c over d, then AD equals BC, or that cross-multiplying works. So let's start with the proportion, and we want to get rid of the denominators, so let's multiply both sides by the product of the denominators, BD. And when we do this, we see that b over b simplifies to 1 and d over d simplifies to 1, provided that b and d are not equal to 0. And we see that AD equals BC, which is what we wanted to show. So cross-multiplying gives us an equivalent statement to the original statement. And by the way, if you wanted to prove the other way, all you need to do is divide both sides by BD. Now the proof for the inequality is basically the same. The only difference is that we need to make sure that the product BD is greater than 0. Because if we're multiplying or dividing by a negative number, the inequality signs flip. So we just need to make sure that what we are multiplying by is greater than 0. Remember, math is a study of patterns, so rather than multiplying both sides by the product of the denominators every single time, we see that this result is equivalent to multiplying the numerator with the other denominator, hence cross-multiplying.